Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So in previous video, you have learned that how the mongoose reached the farmer's home and was living there as pet. And one day, the farmer and his wife went out of home, leaving the baby alone with the mongoose at home. So what happened next in this story? When his wife returned home, look into your book. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, "Blood!" She cried. The face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. So actually what happened, after shopping, when the farmer's wife returned home, she had a basket with her that was full of groceries which she bought from the market. Groceries means foodstuffs or other household supplies. So while returning home, when she got close to her house, she saw that the mongoose was sitting outside of the house, as it was looking like the mongoose was waiting for her. So when the mongoose saw her coming back, it ran to welcome her as the mongoose used to do every time. But when the farmer's wife saw the mongoose, she screamed and crying very loudly, "Blood, blood!" because the blood was spread over the mongoose's paws and face. She thought that it was her baby's blood, that's why she was crying, "Blood, blood." Now come to the next paragraph. "You wicked animal, you have killed my baby," she screamed hysterically. Hysterically means out of control. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to child's cradle. So when she saw the blood on Mongoose's body, she thought that the mongoose killed her baby and it was her baby's blood. Then she was out of control and shouted, "You thankless creature! You killed my baby." Now she was very angry, blind with anger. She threw down that heavy basket full of groceries on mongoose with full power and strength, and she hurried into the house to see the child. In short, when she saw the blood on mongoose's face and paws, she thought that the mongoose killed her baby. So she killed the mongoose by throwing down the basket on mongoose and ran inside the house to see and check the baby. So what she found there in the house, look at the next paragraph. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. So after killing the mongoose, when she entered the house, she found that the baby was sleeping and a black snake was laying dead on the floor near the baby's cradle. So in a moment, she understood the whole story and realized that the mongoose did not hurt the baby. Instead, he saved the baby from the snake. So again, she ran out to see the mongoose, but nothing could be there, as the mongoose died. Now she realized that she had made a mistake. So what did she do After realizing that she had made a mistake, look into your book, last paragraph. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still. Unaware of her sobbing, the farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Weeping her tears, she went in to feed him. So when she realized that she made a big mistake by killing the mongoose without getting to know the reality, she started crying and sobbing. And she touched the mongoose, who was laying dead. It means mongoose was laying dead and unaware of the farmer's wife sobbing and crying. But the farmer's wife, who took action hastily, was continuously looking at the mongoose, who was laying still and dead. She was repenting and feeling sorrow for the mongoose, as she took an action hastily and unthoughtfully in a panic. But it's no use of doing all this crying and sobbing, as it was too late. So here this chapter comes to an end, and I hope you have understood this chapter very well, and also you got to know that it's very necessary to think deeply before doing anything. Otherwise, we also will have to feel sorry and repent like the farmer's wife. So thank you very much for watching this video.